So here we will study how to determine the pH using cell E-cell potential, or how to determine the pH of the cell for their electrolyte. So here is one question: if the potential of a zinc and hydrogen ion cell is 0.45 volt at 25 degrees Celsius, when zinc concentration and hydrogen gas concentration is 1.0 atmosphere, this is 1 molar, what is the pH of the cathode solution? And the net ionic equation is given, and then E0 cell is also given. So we can calculate the E cell potential for standard condition. Usually hydrogen have 0 potential, and then zinc is minus 0.76 volt. So we'll calculate it for with this using formula, where oxidation potential will be positive after converting into after changing its reduction potential sign. Then E0 standard cell potential is at which is plus 0.76 volt, and there are 2 electrons are transferred. So we are going to use this Nernst equation first to calculate Q, which is reaction quiescent, and where E cell is already given, and E0 standard reduction potential we have already calculated, and then minus 0.0592 volt divided by 2 and log Q. So once we'll solve this math for the log Q and Q, at the end we have to take anti-log of this Q to remove the log, and then it will come Q value, which is 3.0 times 10 to the 10, and then now we can calculate Q, which is Q is equal to product divided by reactant, product concentration zinc and hydrogen gas concentration divided by hydrogen ion, or so here it is these are the product and this is the reactant. Then we can calculate the hydrogen ion concentration, and after taking under root we can get hydrogen ion concentration in the molarity, and then this will come that 6.0 times 10 minus 6 molar, and then at the end once we get the hydrogen ion concentration we can take the negative log of hydrogen ion concentration, and that will give us the pH. So this was the one example how to calculate the pH, and another I have one more question. So this is a little long question. I am just giving you a few seconds. I am pausing before starting. You can read it. So basically in this question they have already given the E cell value, and E0 cell standard cell potential is 0 volt, and there are 2 electrons are transferred. So and these are the reactions are happening in this question, and this is the overall reaction, which is 2 hydrogen ion concentration at 1 molar in aqueous solution. Reactant concentration is given, and then they did not give the product concentration, that is why I cannot calculate the pH. So we have to find out the product concentration, and here we are going to use this again Nernst equation to calculate the Q. So E cell, the value is given, E standard cell reduction potential is given, and then log Q. Then log Q we can calculate using this math, and then Q will be anti-log, and then Q will be 7.4 times 10 to minus 8. So once we will know the Q, we can again utilize this reaction quiescent is equal to product concentration divided by reactant concentration, and then product concentration we have to find out. Reactant concentration is already given, so this will be x square divided by 10 square. Q value is already given, and then x will be equal to hydrogen ion concentration, which is under root of the 7.4 times 10⁻⁸, which is 2.7 times 10⁻⁴. Then pH will be negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. Negative log of hydrogen ion concentration will be equal to negative log of 2.7 times 10⁻⁴, which is the pH is 3.57. So this was the second example to calculate the pH of electrolyte or pH of the solution of the cell